So, let's see if you have a good memory. What is this?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. What is this?
Elf.
Elf. What is this?
Santa.
Santa. What is this? What is this?
Snowflake.
Excellent. Everybody?
Snowflake.
Excellent. So this is the?
Santa.
And this is the?
Snowflake.
Excellent. What is this? Huh? The reindeer.
Orange.
Excellent. So this is the?
Snowflake.
And this is the?
Orange.
Reindeer. And this is the?
Christmas card.
Christmas card. And this is the? Huh? No, the tinsel is this one.
A fairy light.
The fairy light. Excellent. And this is the? Excellent. This is the?
Fairy light.
This is the?
Tinsel.
Excellent. And this is the?
Star.
What is this?
A stocking.
A stocking. So everybody?
Stocking.
And this is the?
Star.
This is the?
Stocking.
And this one is?
Snowman.
Snowman. This is the?
Home.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. So this is the?
Elf.
This is the? Excellent. And what is this?
Present.
Present. What are you going to do right now? All of you are going to close your eyes. Okay? Close your eyes. And now open your eyes. What is missing?
Snow.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay. What is the color of the snowman?
White.
White. Excellent. Okay. And he is made of snow or Christmas pudding? He is made of snow. Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Open your eyes. What is missing?
Present.
The present. Excellent. And what else? There is another thing missing.
Tinsel.
The tinsel. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, perfect. The Christmas presents on the top or the bottom of the Christmas tree? The bottom of the Christmas tree. Close your eyes. 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 Okay, you can open your eyes. So, what is missing?
Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree is missing. Excellent. What else? Huh?
Star.
The star is missing.
Stocking.
The stocking is missing. And there is another one missing. What is missing? That's right here. Memory, memory. What is it?
Snowflake.
Snowflake. Excellent. Excellent. The snowflake. The Christmas tree. What is the color of the Christmas tree?
Green.
Green. Excellent. What is the color of the star?
Yellow.
Yellow. What is the color of the snowflake?
White.
And what is the color of this stocking?
Green and
Green and yellow. Yes, excellent. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And close your eyes. And now you can open your eyes. What is is missing?
Santa.
Santa is missing. Perfect.
And
The elf is missing too. And what else?
Chimney.
The cracker is missing. Excellent.
Chimney.
The chimney is missing. Excellent. What else? There are two right here. Just remember in the memory or on the paper.
No.
The bells are missing. Excellent. What else?
Sleigh.
The sleigh is missing. Very good. Very good. So, what is the color of Santa?
Red.
Red. Excellent. And what is the color of his beard?
white,
White. What is the color of the elf?
green, and
Green and red.
Green and red. And the elves, are they tall or small?
Small.
Small, they tend to be small. What is the color of those bells?
Yellow.
Yellow,
Red.
red.
Yellow and red. How many bells here?
2.
Two, excellent. And the cracker makes a big explosion or a small explosion? A small explosion, perfect. Okay, simple?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good.